All right, Oniel. Big victory here today. First of all, what's your assessment of the game?
It was a tough victory. I thought the team follow instructions and come out with the victory, most importantly.
You put on a stellar defensive performance. How important was that performance for you and actually keeping the clean sheet?
The ultimate game was to come out here and win this game. Hopefully we can win the next two. But one focus was to win this game because it is important in the quarterfinal and going forward.
What's your assessment of your performance?
I think it was well. I thought I could have played a little bit better, but it was okay. I always try to improve for the games coming.
In the second half, you guys were playing a little bit deeper. Was that instruction or just a bit of a tired leg?
Yeah, it was instruction from the coach. We win one half, we came out here with the mindset that it was 0-0. We came out here to win the next half, but unfortunately, we never got a goal to win the next half, but we draw it. But most importantly, we won the game.
All right, bless up yourself here.
Thank you.